Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. In this video, I will replace a battery cell for this iPhone XS Max. It can be seen that the battery efficiency of this iPhone is only 83%. Now I will disassemble and replace it. Unscrew the two rear fixing screws. Use the pick to open the screen gap. After uncovering the screen, unscrew the cable cover screw and remove the cover. Disconnect the battery cable, screen cable and handset cable. Remove the screen. Apply blue light protection sticker. Pull out the battery adhesive and remove the battery. Remove the cable from the battery. Put on new battery. Weld it well with an electric welder. Put on the protective film. Apply new adhesive to the battery. Align the battery and put it back into the phone. Apply new screen glue. Start installation screen. Fasten the handset cable, screen cable and battery cable. Install the cover plate and tighten the cover plate screws. After tearing off the blue light protective film, close the phone screen and press it. Unscrew the rear fixing screw. Now let's turn it on and check the battery efficiency of the phone. It can be seen that the current battery efficiency is 100%, so this iPhone XR replacement battery is over.